Drawing both eyes at the same time and keeping them symmetrical can be a real pain. So, to make things easier, I suggest thinking of them not as two separate objects, but as one single object, a dumbbell. Just picture two spheres on the ends, connected by a couple of lines. Let's start with two circles. Their size and the distance between them can vary a little, since every face is different. The circles should be roughly the same size, but they don't have to match perfectly, just like real eyes, which are naturally a little different. Now let's connect them with two horizontal lines. And there it is, our dumbbell. From this point on, we are going to draw both eyes together, treating them as a one object. First, we mark out the eye shapes, add those characteristic angles, and find the vertical center lines. See, the basic structure is already there, and it's symmetrical. Now we can draw the eye openings using this framework as our guide. Then, using the center lines, we place the irises and pupils. Notice that I'm working on both eyes side by side at the same time. Next, we add the upper eyelid creases. And now the eyebrows. They are really easy to place because, once again, we can use our guide circles. The basic drawing is done. Now I'm going to add some shading to bring out the volume and make the structure feel more three-dimensional. And now both eyes are completely finished. The dumbbell method works for any style, from realism to more stylized art. Next time we'll use this method to draw anime eyes. Subscribe so you don't miss it. See you there!